Well, can I just say that no matter how old your babies get, they still need their mama. So I am currently sitting at the Michaels parking lot, or in the Michaels parking lot. So Demi needed some end tables. So I had these at our spec house that I didn't use to stage, those rattan ones back there. So I was going to pick those up this morning. And then I thought that they have a little patio, and so I thought I would pick this up from our venue, this little bistro set. Well, when I got it, I realized it probably needs a good coat of paint. So I'm thinking about getting a different color, but I think I have some at home. And then bright and early this morning, my son called me and said, I forgot my workout clothes. Can you bring them to me? So, you know, way to make this mama feel like I am needed. But anywhoosies, I'm going to go into Michael's. I'm going to see if I can find maybe some different paint if I don't decide to use what I already got, which I should. And then I also have a surprise project that we will be doing during Sunny Days, which is the Sesame Street series I'm doing in September. And we'll just see what else we can find. So come along with me. Successful. I decided not to get the spray paint because I think I have enough at home. But I did find this really cool foam. And this is almost like you can take it apart. It's almost like it's in strips. So I got 2 pieces of that because I thought these would be fun for the Sunny Days journal. I bought, first time ever, well, except probably when my kids were little, I bought some Model Magic, and then I got some single packs of just the white. I got 2 white, I think. No, I got a white, a hot pink, because it says there's 14 colors. I don't know how big they are, so I just got that hot pink, and I have no idea how this stuff works. Is that white too? Yeah, white. Then I found, let's just move this over here. These kind of bright but not bright pom-poms. I put these in the collection kits, but they were just primary colors, so I thought I would try these. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I got some googly eyes that were colored. Now, I'm not a big googly eye person, but we're working with Sesame Street. I thought it'd be fun. I've looked at these many a time, and I've never bought them. So if you've used these, tell me. They look like pasta. I don't know. We'll see what they do. And then I did get 3 pieces of fabric. I got a 1/4 yard of the lobster and a 1/4 yard of the Scrabble. And then I got some gummy bears for the sweets journals. And I think that's it. Did you see anything that was exciting in there that you would have bought that I should have? Did I miss something? There wasn't a lot on sale. And there wasn't, and it was a little bit messy. Oh, I already got my seatbelt on. So, I'm not sure what I'm going to do now. It is 12:24. Demi's coming this afternoon, and I really want to get that, at least a coat of paint on it. So I might just go home and do that. Or I may stop at a thrift store. TBD. I got some crazy hair going on. Well, I did end up stopping at the Many Hands, as you saw. And I got a few good deals. And then I got the Intel, so I'll give you the skinny on that. Not exciting, but inside of here I have bought 2 mason jars because I needed tall ones and I didn't want to go buy a whole set. And I want to make pickled asparagus and green beans, just like refrigerator. So, $2 a piece. I probably could have got them the same at Wally World. Now listen to this. I was just at the Michaels and I bought all of that Crayola air dried clay. Look what they had. It was still $4.50, but I did open it up and I smushed it a little bit. Like I said, I haven't used air dried clay since my kids were little. And really, I didn't use it, they did. But I think it's going to be okay. We'll compare it to the other ones I bought and see what we think. But I picked it up, put it down, and then I was like, oh, what the heck. That's a good one to experiment. So I believe that Demi's chairs are going to be either a pale pink or possibly a pretty green, this table and chairs. So I did pick this indoor-outdoor pillow up. But here's something really cool. Well, let me show you the not-so-cool things first. I grabbed this because I am doing 4 giveaway journals for the Sunny Days for the Sesame Street series. And I thought this one was really cute, and I did want to do a binder, so I think I'm going to alter this one. And then I bought 2 plastic tablecloths because if this isn't totally 100% really, really dry, I want something for Demi to transport it in her car. And then I don't know which one to show you first. Okay, I have 3 things. I bought some wooden nickels. They were in the vintage section for $2.50, and they say, I mean, this is beside the wooden nickel part, but it says, good for 5 cents on any treat at Marty's. Or Marty's, yeah. I don't have my glasses on. I thought that was cute. So I'll drill a few holes in there, share them with you guys. And all right, so I'll show you my favorite for last. Well, this is a, I don't know, but it's fur. And I was like, this looks like Oscar the Grouch. This could be, is it Abby Cadabby? No, Abby Cadabby is lavender. Zoe. And then there's some brown. It was only $2.50. The pink tags were half price. So I think I got one thing that was half price. Oh, the binder. So I paid 50 cents for the binder. Here we go. So this is vintage gift wrap yarn. AKA, we used this in our hair back in the day. They used to sell them in packs, you know. I couldn't pass this up. This made me very happy. I've been pretty lucky at finding, oh, that's pretty heavy, at finding vintage ribbon like that, but never have I found in the wild the actual packaging or stuff that's for your hair. But that's what we got. I'm gonna go home and paint this. Maybe I'll pop in a little clip, and then hopefully I remembered to close this video out. And I'm sorry that I didn't do an in the craft room haul, but I'm not gonna have time because I gotta paint. So see you in a bit. Wait a minute, I forgot to tell you the news. So the news is, which I knew was happening, I just didn't know when. The newest Many Hands, which, if you know, that's my favorite thrift store chain in Des Moines, is opening a new location in Jordan Creek tomorrow at 10 a.m. So stay tuned. I think I am going to go and try to be there at 10, just because I've only been to one other grand opening. It was in Mississippi at a Goodwill. It was a little crazy, but it was fun. So I think I might take you along to that. Okay, on with the rest of the story. Several hours later, and Zenny and I were just sitting here getting ready to edit, and I realized, as I suspected, I forgot to close out the video. So there you have it. I did run out of paint, had to go back to the hardware store and get 2 more cans. For being as small a table, it did suck up a lot of paint, but you know, it's old, it's vintage, it's been around a while. But that was a fun little day. Kind of switched up everything I had planned, but that's all right. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Demi has since come to pick up the table, and she's not going to be home for a very long time, so I'm not going to wait to see how she styled it. But if you want to see that, let me know in the comments, and I will post a picture on the community tab. It's her deck is very, very tiny, like maybe 5 or 6 feet by 5 or 6 feet. So there's not a lot of space on it. We'll see what she does with it. I'm sure it'll be adorable. But thanks for watching. I know this was a little bit different, almost like a little day in the life of. You'll have to let me know if you like that or not. A little bit different. But have a lovely rest of your evening. I'm going to say, oh, wasn't that perfect? Did you guys see that? No, you did not. A monarch just landed on the other, in the other pot. Maybe he'll come over here. We'll see. That would have been perfect, like on cue. Here he goes. There he is. Right there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm afraid to move. Cute. Anyhow, we will talk to you next time. Sorry to belabor that, but I was just enamored by that butterfly. Until then, remember to take some time for you and to just be, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.